Today our topic is solubility. Solubility, the symbol is S. Keep the heading. Right definition. It is, that means solubility is number of moles of salt, dissolved per liter solution. Solubility is equal number of moles of salt dissolved per liter solution. So अभी units क्या होगा? Mole per liter. Moles per liter. Next. Generally salts two types: strong electrolytes and weak electrolytes. Right? So salts, strong electrolytes and weak electrolytes. Strong electrolytes completely ionize and dissolve. Soluble होता है generally 100% ionization. Ionization or you can say dissociation. Next, weak electrolytes. Sorry. What? Strong electrolyte. Weak electrolytes. Okay. ठीक है. Weak electrolytes are partially dissociate. Here example is NaCl. Here example is AgCl. Okay, ये partially dissociate, partially be very less. Okay, almost it is insoluble. Yes, or sparingly soluble. Sparingly soluble means suppose in 1 liter 0.1 gram it is dissolved, like that, very small quantity, almost getting the precipitate, maximum getting precipitation, but smaller quantities it may be dissolved. Okay, even though we don't consider that solubility, we are telling that insoluble. AgCl is getting the precipitation, so insoluble only. If you count it in the minor, maybe milligrams में count होता है, milligram में it may dissolve, but we are taking bulk. So finally वो दिखते हैं, it's getting precipitation, white PPT in the water, right? So that is insoluble. Even small quantity में कुछ soluble होता है, that's why sparingly soluble. Sparingly means very minute, right? This is the thing. Write it. See, salt कभी भी it is dissolving means here two types of energies are there. One is hydration enthalpy. The another one is lattice enthalpy. Right? Soluble means lattice enthalpy is less, hydration enthalpy is more. Hydration enthalpy is releasing energy, lattice enthalpy is required energy. Required energy less, releasing energy more means it will be soluble. But in case of partially or insoluble salt में hydration enthalpy is less and lattice enthalpy is more. Required energy ज़्यादा इसलिए dissolvable नहीं होता. Right? These are points important. So I am taking here AgCl, a smaller amount is dissolving, Ag plus and Cl minus, but AgCl is maximum, that's why it is getting precipitation in the aqueous solution. Right? अब इसका solubility दिया है कुछ, the solubility is telling S. This solubility also S. So how much quantity is there? Maybe x quantity is there. In that x small s is dissolved. Okay. Now if I apply the equilibrium constant K, then what should I write here? Of course here water is there in the aqueous solution. Ag plus then Cl minus upon AgCl into H2O. See, AgCl तो solid है, no need to take. H2O liquid, pure liquid. The salt hydrolysis we took that H2O, that is called hydrolysis constant. At least there some considerable amount of water is consumed, but here it is very less. That's why this H2O also we are taking as unit. So in this case, in this case, the salt case, this formula is becoming like this: K equal Ag plus into Cl minus, right? So this one is known as KSP, solubility product. Why product? See, the product of the ions. Product of the ions. This is one formula. Just here you write it. KSP is the solubility product. Solubility product. You want to write the definition? The product of ions in the aqueous solution. That is only solubility product. Now here the relation between S and KSP. S and KSP. See what we written there. KSP means KSP we got it Ag plus into Cl minus. See in the question here, this is the main equation, this equation. What is the Ag concentration? S. What is the chlorine concentration? That is also S. That means S square. What is this? KSP. This is one formula. This formula I can write it like this: S equal under root of KSP. Yes. Right? Right. Now, next I am taking different salt. First is 1:1 type electrolyte. This is 1:2 type. What is 1:2? 1 cation, 2 anions. Next 1:3, 2:3 like that. The question may ask like that also. Okay? Abhi in case of 1:2 make it. If this solubility is S, suppose again. This is the S. What about this concentration? It should be 2S. Yes, I thought 2S. Then calcium plus 2 concentration into fluorine minus concentration into square. Square सबको पता है? Right. Now what is the calcium? S. Right. F concentration is 2S whole square. Many students will confuse. Sir, इधर S लिखते. ठीक है? So don't confuse. Don't do the same mistake. So here S and 2S तो आ गया according to the balancing equation. Right? In this place fluoride case में you have to take 2S as it is. उसका square तो square होगा ही. Right? Now what is the answer here? 4S square, that means 4S cube, that is KSP equal. Then S equal to क्या होगा? S equal to third root of KSP by 4. Right? Note down. See, silver chloride AgCl KSP solubility product is given 10 power minus 10. Calcium fluoride का भी solubility product is given 4 into 10 power minus 12. Okay. Now the question is asking which is more soluble? Which is more soluble? अभी ये क्वेश्चन में सपोज ये भी 1:1 इलेक्ट्रोलाइट है तो देन सीधा आंसर ये होगा which is अच्छा more soluble means ये होगा if it is 1:1 electrolyte but here it is not 1:1 electrolyte. In that case, you cannot tell the answer directly. You have to solve the question. Right? Now you have to solve. अभी तो different है. ये तो 1:1 electrolyte है. ये तो 1:2 electrolyte है. So in this case, you have to solve. Tell me for AgCl, what is the solubility? Tell me the formula direct. For AgCl, what is the relation between S and KSP? KSP equal S equal to under root of KSP. According to this, S equal to under root of KSP means 10 power minus 10. That means 10 power minus 5. Right. Now for calcium fluoride, tell me the relation between S and KSP. Third root of KSP by 4. Then third root of KSP. 4 into 10 power minus 12 by 4. 4 get cancelled. 10 power minus 12. बाहर आ गए तो 10 power minus 6. Third root 4. Third root 10 power minus 4. 3 times we can write it. So now which is the major? हमको इधर वैल्यू दिखते 10 power minus 2 least. That's why हो सकता है ये least soluble हम सोचने का कुछ chances है. But immediately you have to check, is it same type of electrolyte or not? If it is same type, answer हो जाएगा उधर. लेकिन it is not same type, then you have to solve the question. अभी आंसर क्या हो गया? This is more soluble. Calcium fluoride is more soluble. Taking for common example, ApBq is equilibrium. A and B ions बनेगा. Now the question is charge क्या होगा? एक तो plus and minus होगा. See for that one simple example I have written here. Al2O3 is there. In this Al2O3, what are the ions? Al plus 3 and O minus 2. Right? वो 3 कहाँ से आया? ये 3. 2 criss cross method होगी इसमें. Right? How many aluminiums are there? Aluminium के नीचे कितना है? वो वही होगा. Now means here P a to the power of charge क्या होगा? Q. Then here Q b to the power of minus P. This much clear? Next. Suppose if I apply the KSP, then what are the solubility क्या होगा? PS and QS. Then the concentration is generally I can write it A plus Q into B minus P to the power of P to the power of Q. Now this means PS to the power of P, QS to the power of Q. Then P to the power of P into Q to the power of Q into S to the power of P plus Q. This is the KSP general equation. समझ गया? Note down this. See here, just you make one table. Type of electrolyte. 1:1 electrolyte, just like we did that AgCl. I am taking AB. According to this, based on this, you can write direct formula. So KSP equal. How can you write that? KSP equal. क्या होगा? तो see P to the power of P. That means 1. See here, what is PQ? Here PQ. That means 1 1. So 1 to the power of 1 into 1 to the power of 1 into S 1 plus 1. Yes, this is equal S square. Right. Next AB2. Then for this KSP equal 1 to the power of 1, 2 to the power of 2. Then S to the power of 1 plus 2. That means 4S cube. Yes. Next this one KSP equal 1 to the power of 1, 3 to the power of 3. Dot S 1 plus 3. That means S to the power of 4 होगा. This is 27. Right? 27 S to the power of 4. Then this KSP equal 2 to the power of 2, 2 to the power of 2 dot s to the power of 4. 2 plus 2. 4, 4, 16. That means 16 s to the power of 4. Here KSP. 2 to the power of 2, 3 to the power of 3, s to the power of 5. 2 to 4, 4, 27. 27 into 4? 108. Right? No doubt. कोई भी दे देते we can solve like this. So this is the main important. Effect of common ion in solubility. Just write one statement. By adding common ion, the solubility will be decreased. The solubility will be decreased. Okay? Now, example question. AgCl is there. AgCl का KSP value is given 10 power minus 10. That implies solubility is either 10 power minus 5. Already solved this question. Now, this AgCl solubility in 0.1 m AgNO3 solution. In 0.1 m AgNO3 solution. The solubility of AgCl. Solubility of AgCl भी पूछ सकते और the concentration of Cl minus the Ag plus concentration is सबका आंसर सेम है, right? Now see AgNO3 is dissociating into Ag plus NO3 minus. It is 100%. It is 100%. Now AgCl is there. This AgCl is partially Ag plus Cl minus. We know this is the common ion. Due to the common ion effect, it is decreasing. Right. Generally, we are applying here KSP equal Ag plus concentration into Cl minus concentration. Now the question is asking you AgCl solubility. AgCl solubility means how much AgCl soluble, right? That's all. So indirectly, if you know the Cl minus concentration, suppose x high, that means indirectly AgCl x is dissolved. That's only, right? So what we have to calculate here? Here we have to calculate Cl minus ion concentration. Cl minus ion concentration you have to calculate, right? So sir, already आपको Cl minus the solubility 10 power minus 5 था. Yes, it was there before adding AgNO3. If you don't add AgNO3, Cl minus concentration is 10 power minus 5. When you are adding AgNO3, due to the common ion effect, these both are combining and forming AgCl. So Cl minus will be decreased. Now, how much decrease? Right. See, what is the concentration? Ag plus concentration 0.1. This one also 0.1. Right. Now, KSP. What is the KSP of AgCl? 10 power minus 10. That equals. Now, Ag plus concentration. Which Ag plus concentration I have to take? Which is the larger amount? Generally, 0.1 plus 10 power minus 5. Okay, it is 10 power minus 1, 10 power minus 5. So much variation is there. In that case, I can neglect this value. ठीक है, वो भी देखना है. Suppose ये भी almost equal है, तो we should not neglect. Like I given you one question in case of pH, 10 power minus 7 mHCl pH. What will be the 10 power minus 8 m? Okay, 10 power minus 8 mHCl pH value क्या होगा? Is it 8 or 7 or 6 point something? 6 point something. 6.9 something. Right? 8 नहीं होगा ना? क्यों नहीं होगा? Because here water concentration also we are considering. In general, we will neglect, but if this value is very less, almost equal to water concentration, then we have to go. Okay. But here, this Ag plus we can neglect. Already 10 power minus 5 the file, but due to the common ion effect, again decreasing. Again it is decreasing. So no need to count now. Now Ksp equal to Ag plus concentration. What is that? 10 power minus 1. What about Cl minus? That is only we have to calculate. Now Cl minus ion concentration equal 10 power minus 9. 10 power minus 9. Before adding Cl minus ion concentration 10 power minus 5 tha, by adding 0.1 m AgNO3 10 power minus 9. How many times it is reduced once you check it? Okay, so this is only the solubility of the S equal S of AgCl equal 10 power minus 9 moles per liter. Moles per liter. Cl का concentration क्या है? That is only equal to AgCl solubility. Now I am taking their concentration 10 power minus 5 m AgNO3 I am adding OAgCl solution. Now what will be the solubility? Now what will be the solubility? See here AgCl उस time में भी इसका 10 power minus 5 था. Now I am adding इसका भी 10 power minus 5. This one also 10 power minus 5. This one also 10 power minus 5. See, I have to calculate. This is the x. It is also, it's not 10 power minus 5. Before adding 10 power minus 5 was there. So 10 power minus 5 से कुछ कम होगा. ठीक है, वो कम कितना होगा? We don't know. ठीक है, 10 power minus 5 it was there before. It will decrease due to the common ion effect. Right. Now what will be the Ksp and S relation? Relation तो same है. Now just you apply Ksp equal Ag plus concentration. Now what we have to do? Same values. So in that case we cannot neglect this concentration. Right? We have to take. Suppose if you neglect, then what you will get? Same answer you will get 10 power minus 5. So due to the common ion effect, something should be decreased. Okay. So we are taking Ag plus concentration is 10 power minus 5 plus 10 power minus 5. Cl concentration don't know. Ksp, this is a 10 power minus 10 already it was there. 2 into 10 power minus 5 Cl minus concentration. Then 10 power minus 5, 10 power minus 5 get cancelled. 10 power minus 5 here 1 by 2. This 2 is going down here. Equal Cl minus concentration. So I can write it here 0.5 into 10 power minus 5 Cl minus concentration. This is only the solubility of AgCl. Solubility of AgCl. Note.